Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Posho and Groundnut sauce. So I'm going to begin with lighting our fire. I've already set down the firewood and you can see it's lighting now. I'm going to put water for Posho to boil. And here we have our groundnut paste. I'm going to mix it with hot water, as you can see, until it's nicely mixed. I'm still adding more hot water to get a nice paste. Then I'm also cutting in the onions direct. You know that onions makes the sauce more delicious and nice, have a very nice aroma. I'm going to add turmeric powder for the nice color and nice aroma. Then add some boiled water again and put it on a sigiri to boil until it's ready, and when the oil comes on top of it. You know, groundnuts produce its own cooking oil on it, so you don't have to add more cooking oil when you're cooking it. Just mix it very well. Our water for Posho has boiled. I'm just going to put it in another saucepan because the other one was too big. Then I'll mingle our Posho. So I'm going to first add some flour on it, then leave it to boil. Then I'm going to add the other flour, then begin to mingle. You know, here in Uganda, Posho is our staple food, so we love it very much. Then I continue to mingle and add some more flour in case I need it. I also continue to mingle it so that it doesn't burn from down the saucepan. Just leaving it for a while to cook. So I'm going to put it in a plate because our posho is nicely ready, as you can see. Then shape it very well. So our posho is nicely ready, and also our ginger paste, you can see it's nicely ready. The oil actually has come up on top of the ginger paste. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.